Radio buttons are different than checkboxes. Checkboxes, if I had 3 checkboxes here, they could all be checked, they could all be unchecked. They're not related to each other. But a radio button group asks you, select one of these from this group. Radio buttons can have, checkboxes can also have images, but it's basically the same rules as a label where you can have an image or text or both. And again, we're tying it to a string variable here. And in this case, we have 3 different widgets. And so you can display them horizontally or vertically because they are displayed and they're displayed and placed on the grid independently of each other. They're not one thing, they're 3 things. And the only thing that connects them together is that they're all tied to the same variable. And so when you select one, it unselects the other 2. So if we have the same variable, that's what ties them together. And then it changes the value of that variable based on which one is selected. So I'm just going to do a group of 2 radio buttons because I don't want to spend all day doing radio buttons. But if I want to create a couple of radio buttons, let's go ahead and create the variable also. Oops, don't want that. Equals string variable. There we go. Okay, so that, so we're going to say text equals yes, variable string radio, and value equals not true in this case. Yes. Okay, so we'll create another almost identical radio button. And we will call that my radio 2. So now the value of this one is no. So if we select this one, it'll change the value of this to yes. If we select this one, it will change that value to no. And I'm going to grid this one a little different. My radio 1 grid and my radio 2 grid, I'm going to grid these next to each other. So I'm going to put column 1 here. And so now I have these 2 next to each other. But you can see when I select one, it unselects the other. But it doesn't impact the other things on the page. Okay? And you can, that forces those next to each other. All of these are still in column 0 on the grid, so they're all lined up. And so that's a radio button.